Did you know that one of the most researched and proven supplements for performance, brain health, and even aging and longevity is something you might already have in your cabinet, but you may not be using it optimally? Today, we're going to talk about creatine, monohydrate. What is it, what the science says, how to use it, and why it's not just for bodybuilders. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Dr. Ariane Missimer. I'm a functional medicine practitioner, doctor of physical therapy, registered dietitian, and owner of the Movement Paradigm Integrative Health Center. So what is creatine? It is essentially a naturally occurring compound found in our muscle and our brain tissue. It helps to regenerate ATP, which is the energy currency of our cells, especially during short explosive efforts like lifting, sprinting, and even thinking. About 95% of our creatine is stored in the skeletal muscle, but its influence goes far beyond that. A fun fact is the brain is a major consumer of ATP too, which is why creatine has emerging research in the cognitive health as well as even depression. So let's jump into some of the evidence-based claims as it relates to muscle performance. So it can increase strength, power, and lean muscle mass. It's especially beneficial in resistance training and high-intensity interval training. Evidence also supports benefits across age groups, including older adults. And as it relates to cognitive function, it can improve working memory and executive function, particularly in sleep-deprived individuals. It also may reduce mental fatigue and enhance neuroprotective properties. Early research suggests that there could be benefits in mood disorders like depression. And as it relates to sarcopenia and aging, when it's combined with resistance training, creatine can support muscle preservation in older adults. It's also shown to enhance the quality of life, functional independence, and even bone density. As it relates to injury and recovery, some data shows reduced muscle damage and inflammation post-exercise. It may help with rehabilitation outcomes, though more human studies are needed for this. Let's talk about some myths and misconceptions. Creatine causes kidney damage. Creatine is one of the safest supplements that we can take when it's consumed in healthy individuals. Long-term studies up to 5 years show no adverse effects on kidney or liver function. Another myth is that it causes water retention and bloating. The intercellular water retention actually supports muscle function and recovery, so most people won't experience visible bloating. However, you may have mild bloating in the beginning. You have to load creatine. Loading is completely optional. There's more on that in just a moment. So how do you use creatine? So we're going to use the form of creatine monohydrate. It's the most studied and effective. Micronized versions may mix a little bit better. There are different dosing options. So loading protocol, you could do 20 grams a day for 5 to 7 days, split into 4 doses, and then 3 to 5 grams a day for maintenance. Personally, I recommend using no loading phase, which would be 3 to 5 grams a day to fully saturate muscles in about 3 to 4 weeks. So the best timing of this really is the best time you can be consistent with. Most consistent results are seen when taken post-workout, especially with carb or protein-containing meals that can help with cellular uptake. However, the most important thing is just whenever you can take it consistently. So that is way more important than timing, so please don't skip days. So who should consider it? Older adults for combating sarcopenia, cognitive decline, and maintaining function. Athletes and lifters for obvious strength and performance benefits. Students or professionals under high mental demand for improved mental clarity and reduced fatigue. Vegetarians and vegans typically have lower muscle creatine stores and may see greater benefits. Women in menopause and perimenopause. It is not ideal for people with diagnosed kidney disease, and you should always consult a healthcare professional first in that situation. So to recap, creatine is one of the most well-researched supplements we have. It's safe, inexpensive, and effective for muscle strength, brain health, and aging well, which we all want to do. If you're looking to optimize your physical and or cognitive performance, or simply just thrive through your lifespan, this might be one supplement to consider adding to your daily routine. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, give it a share. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this on whole body wellness through integrative and root cause medicine. Make sure to check out our app, The Movement Paradigm, for lots of ways to improve your whole body health. And feel free to reach out to us for an individual consultation at themovementparadigm.com. Thank you as always. Until next time.